If you're tired of bulky, unreliable audio cables that don't fit your smartphone case or break after a few uses, this TRRS audio cable offers a smart solution. Its slim, beveled step-down design ensures a secure fit, even when your phone is protected by a case. No more struggling to plug it in or worrying about damaging your device. Durability matters when it comes to cables, especially if you're gaming or on calls regularly. This cable has been bend tested over 5,000 times with zero damage or performance loss. That's thanks to its premium aluminum connectors, which add an extra layer of toughness to withstand daily wear and tear. Gold-plated connectors make a noticeable difference. They provide smooth, corrosion-free connections every time you plug in, so your audio stays crisp and clear without interference. This means you get consistent sound quality without the hassle of static or connection drops. This cable supports stereo audio with a microphone thanks to its TRRS configuration, tip ring sleeve plugs with 4 conductors. What does that mean for you? It transmits left and right audio channels plus microphone input, making it perfect for calls, gaming chats, or any audio setup requiring a mic. Many users have praised this cable for its versatility. One gamer shared how it connects their Android phone to an Astro Mixamp Pro TRRS input, allowing them to take calls or listen to music while gaming. The headset mic audio travels through the cable, while game and call sounds go directly to the headset, keeping communication clear and uninterrupted. Because it's a 4-pole TRRS cable, it works seamlessly with any device that supports this standard. Whether you're plugging into a smartphone, gaming console, or audio mixer, you get reliable stereo sound and mic input over a single cord. Some users noted that the connector's smooth finish and short length can make it a bit tricky to unplug. However, this hasn't affected the cable's performance or durability, even after 3 years of regular use. It's a small trade-off for a cable that consistently delivers without fail. This cable's slim design also means it won't add bulk or interfere with your device's case, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Whether you're commuting, gaming, or working from home, it stays out of the way while providing excellent audio quality. Why settle for cables that wear out or fail when you need them most? This TRRS cable offers a dependable connection with premium materials designed to last. Its combination of durability, slim profile, and gold-plated plugs ensures you get clear, reliable sound every time. If you're looking for a cable that handles both stereo audio and microphone input without fuss, this is worth a look. It's ideal for gamers, mobile users, and anyone who needs a solid, long-lasting audio connection in a slim package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your audio setup. This cable blends practical design with proven durability, so you get what matters most: consistent, high-quality sound and mic performance without interruptions. In a market flooded with cheap cables that fail quickly, investing in this premium TRRS cable makes sense. It's built to keep up with your lifestyle, whether that means long gaming sessions, work calls, or music on the go. Don't let a bulky or fragile cable slow you down. This one fits easily with your device's case and holds up under daily use. Plus, the gold-plated connectors ensure every connection is clean and reliable, so your audio stays sharp. The bend-tested design means you won't have to worry about fraying or breakage anytime soon. That's peace of mind that's hard to find in typical audio cables. For anyone who uses their phone or gaming gear for both audio and voice communication, this cable delivers exactly what you need. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense solution that works as promised. Remember, if your device supports TRRS, this cable will work perfectly. It's a simple upgrade that can improve your audio experience significantly, especially if you've struggled with unreliable connections in the past. So if clear stereo sound and microphone input matter to you, and you want a cable that lasts, this is a solid choice. It combines thoughtful design, durability, and reliable performance in one slim package. Worth a look if you want a dependable TRRS cable that won't let you down. It's designed to make your audio connections smoother, clearer, and more durable, exactly what you need for everyday use.